Full buffering. When a record of the table is accessed, all the records of the table are loaded into the buffer. With full buffering, the table is either completely in the buffer or not at all. Whenever a record of the table is accessed, all of the table records are loaded into the buffer. When you decide whether to fully buffer a table, you must take the table size, the number of read accesses, and the number of write accesses into consideration. The smaller the table is, the more frequently it is read, and the less frequently it is written to, the better it is to fully buffer the table. Full buffering is also recommended for tables that have frequent accesses to records that do not exist. The buffer can quickly check if a record exists, as all the records of the table reside in the buffer. The data records are stored in the buffer sorted by table primary key. When you access the data with select, only fields up to the last specified key field can be used for the access. For such accesses, you should specify a left justified part of the key that is as large as possible. For example, if the first key field is not defined, the entire table is scanned in the buffer. Under these circumstances, direct access to the database could be more efficient if a suitable secondary index exists.